Hi, my name is Jinsi. Welcome to our YouTube channel CSP Family. Are you passionate about teaching children and passionate about helping them? Do you know who lightened the thought of bringing special education and care for children? In this video, you will come to know about the contribution of one of the eminent educationists in preschool education. List of eminent educationists in preschool education: Friedrich Froebel, Maria Montessori, John Dewey, Mahatma Gandhi, Rabindranath Tagore, Gijubai Badeka, and Tarabai Modak. Friedrich Froebel was born in 1782 and passed away in 1852. Friedrich Froebel was born in German village in 1782. He introduced the kindergarten system of education. Kindergarten is a German word which means the garden of children. This system was introduced as a rebel against the prevailing system of education for the children. His slogan was, "Come, let us live for our children." This kindergarten system is based on the principle of teaching children through play. Froebel's philosophy and principles of education. Though Froebel was very close to nature, but he was an idealist to the core. He said, as the beginning gives the base to the whole after development, so the early beginning of the education is of most importance. Since he believed imparting a sound education to children, he laid it on the sound foundations enumerated. Froebel's law of unity. Froebel was very much influenced by the philosophers of his time. They were all idealists. Since he believed in their philosophy of eternal unity, he laid down that through education a man should be so equipped that he may be able to establish union with all the worldly things. To achieve unity in diversity is to achieve God. This was the law of unity. Law of unity was of three types. Unity of substance. Man and nature are made of substance, that is the spirit of soul, which animates both. Unity of origin. All this grows of one source, that is God. Unity of purpose. All the things of the world strive to reach to a divine perfection, and that is God. Froebel's principles of education. Principle of evolution or development. Froebel has also said that there is an intrinsic law according to which everything develops. As like the entire tree is hidden in a seed, similarly the entire personality of the child is hidden in him. Froebel believed that the teacher, like a gardener, should create congenial atmosphere for the development of the child. Principle of self-activity. Froebel emphasized that real growth and development of children is possible only through self-activity. The child brings his mind along with him as soon as he is born, and it grows active on his own. Children are given freedom and left to themselves, they carry out activities and movements and also develop thoughts of their own. Therefore, education should be based on learning by doing. Principle of learning by playing. Children by nature are attracted towards play. It incites their interest and brings about a sense of joy in them. Froebel said, play is the purest, most spiritual activity of man, that this stage at this time, typical of human life as a whole of the inner hidden natural life in man. Importance of play. According to Froebel, play has philosophical as well as spiritual importance. Play has universal appeal. With the help of play, virtues like sociability, freedom, cooperation, tolerance, self-dependence, etc. are developed. Froebel laid down the following types of play. Play that leads to recreational and constructive activities. Plays that brings about the development of imagination and intellectual capacity. Play, like group games that encourages cooperation and collectivism. Play that helps in the development of character. Play that brings about learning of preparation of 3 hours. Curriculum in kindergarten: religion, natural science, language, and craft and manual work. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.